The things that set us apart are not the things that are typical.
There's an endless focus on relentless execution of high quality, consistent product on time.
We're actually bored with the simplistic stuff. We like doing the very complex jobs that nobody else can do.
We're growing, and we're really paving the way for the future of aerospace.
A lot of companies have high-end technology like us, but they don't perform for their customers and give them the confidence that we do. That's where we come in to fill the gap. Next began about 50 years ago. I was young, growing up in the business. I was a child working in the shop for my dad. And back then it was really skilled machinists that knew how to make parts manually. Today they've got to have those exact same high-end skills on the machining side, but it's got to be coupled with high-end knowledge of automation, high-end knowledge in metrology, high-end knowledge in advanced CNC machining.
The aerospace industry that we serve is a very exciting and important part of our economy, moving people every single day with highly dependable products. Next is uniquely focused in this area to provide solutions and capacity to our customers in production.
The cost of making components poorly could be someone's life. OEMs in aerospace need partners that are willing to share costs, share the risk of development, and have an eye towards mitigating risk. I think the thing that sets us apart is our people, is our systems for developing employees, which is the #1 challenge to the industry moving forward. We built our own internal school that we refer to as Next University.
We hired a full-time trainer on staff, and he's here to train anyone and everyone, meaning from new employees to incumbent employees. It takes place on site in our training room, and there's a lot of energy and motivation.
They're learning new skills constantly. This is something with having a younger workforce is very important to us. Here at Next, the average workforce age is about 34. We're just hitting our stride as we're moving up and becoming more and more technically savvy working with our customers. This gives our customers an assured workforce that will stay with them for many more years to come.
The greatest moments that we have are the ones that remind us of what we've built with our employees. And so those moments where customers give us great feedback, which happens all the time, and tell us we are their preferred vendor, remind us of what we've accomplished in building the team that we have. And I'm glad to say at this point in time, I think we're a leader.